Most people don't realize this. Your body starts losing collagen as early as your mid-20s, and by the time you're 40, you've lost over 30%. This silent decline doesn't just lead to wrinkles or sagging skin. It damages your joints, slows your metabolism, and even interferes with nerve function. But what if you could nourish your body's collagen reserves naturally, using fruits you probably already have in your kitchen? Science is clear. Certain fruits are powerhouses for collagen production, and they also support nerve repair, joint strength, and metabolic healing. Let's break them down. Why collagen matters more than you think. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's the glue that holds everything together. It supports nerve myelination, protecting and repairing nerve cells. Joint cartilage, reducing pain and inflammation. Metabolism, by aiding muscle mass and cellular energy. But collagen can't work alone. It needs the right nutrients to be produced, and that's where these fruits come in. 1. Strawberries, nature's collagen activator. Strawberries are more than just a sweet snack. They are one of the most potent natural sources of vitamin C, the key nutrient your body needs to create collagen from scratch. Collagen is the protein that gives structure to your skin, bones, joints, and blood vessels. But here's the catch. Without vitamin C, your body literally can't build collagen. Strawberries give your cells the tools they need to do the job. Additional benefits. Helps repair damaged nerves by aiding the production of myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Reduces oxidative stress, which protects both skin and neural tissue from aging. Contains ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant that fights collagen breakdown caused by UV rays and pollution. Science says, a 2013 review in Dermatoendocrinology showed vitamin C stimulates collagen-producing cells and supports neural regeneration, especially after injury or inflammation. 2. Oranges, joint-saving citrus. Oranges are famously rich in vitamin C, but they also contain a group of plant compounds called citrus bioflavonoids, including hesperidin and rutin. These compounds don't just protect existing collagen. They stimulate your body to produce more of it, especially in connective tissues like ligaments, cartilage, and tendons. Additional benefits. Protects joints from age-related stiffness and inflammation. Supports synovial fluid production, which lubricates joints. Boosts metabolism by reducing cortisol, the stress hormone that stores belly fat. Science says, a 2020 study in Nutrients Journal found that vitamin C and bioflavonoids from citrus fruits improve collagen stability in joints and reduce inflammatory markers like CRP, C-reactive protein. 3. Mangoes, metabolic miracle. Mangoes are loaded with beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A that's crucial for collagen preservation and regeneration. Vitamin A doesn't just protect your skin, it also helps maintain healthy cell turnover and stimulates the genes involved in nerve and joint tissue repair. Additional benefits. Helps prevent cartilage breakdown in joints. Enhances cellular metabolism, making energy use in the body more efficient. Supports nerve sheath repair, essential in reversing nerve damage or neuropathy. Science says, according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, beta-carotene has antioxidant properties that prevent the breakdown of collagen and stimulate the growth of fibroblasts, collagen-forming cells. 4. Blueberries, nerve shield superfruit. Blueberries are one of the best fruits for brain and nerve health, thanks to their rich content of anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep blue color. These compounds not only boost collagen production but also protect nerve endings and improve neural pathways. Additional benefits. Increases blood flow to the brain and limbs, aiding nerve regeneration. Protects collagen from damage by free radicals. Helps reduce inflammation in joints and spinal discs. Science says, a 2014 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that anthocyanins significantly reduce oxidative stress and enhance collagen production in both skin and neural tissue. 5. Pineapples, inflammation fighter. Pineapples are famous for their content of bromelain, a natural enzyme that breaks down inflammatory proteins and helps the body eliminate damaged tissue. This is essential for collagen repair, especially after joint or nerve injuries. Additional benefits. Reduces swelling in joints and soft tissue. Speeds up healing of nerve inflammation, especially in conditions like sciatica or carpal tunnel. Improves digestion, helping your body absorb collagen-building nutrients more efficiently. Science says, a study in phytomedicine showed bromelain helps reduce chronic inflammation in joint tissues and speeds up recovery after nerve trauma. 6. Cherries, joint pain reliever. Tart cherries, in particular, are a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. They contain polyphenols and vitamin C, both of which play a direct role in preserving and building collagen in joint cartilage. Additional benefits: reduces joint stiffness and morning pain in people with arthritis. Helps muscles recover faster after exercise, protecting joint tendons. Supports neuroprotective activity through antioxidant pathways. Science says, research in the Osteoarthritis and Cartilage Journal found that tart cherry extract significantly reduced symptoms in osteoarthritis patients, thanks in part to its impact on collagen stability and inflammation control. 7. Kiwi, collagen connector. Kiwi may be small, but it's a nutritional giant. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, copper, and zinc, a rare combination that directly supports collagen cross-linking, which strengthens tissue and enhances elasticity. Additional benefits: copper helps form strong, flexible collagen fibers, especially in skin, blood vessels, and joints. Zinc and vitamin E repair damaged nerve tissue and maintain collagen stability. Aids in DNA repair and supports wound healing, critical for recovering from nerve injuries. Science says, according to biological trace element research, a deficiency in copper or zinc leads to decreased collagen quality and increased vulnerability to nerve damage and joint wear. 8. Grapes, the anti-aging fruit. Red, black, and purple grapes are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant linked to cell longevity, collagen preservation, and nerve regeneration. Combined with vitamin C, grapes offer a full spectrum of collagen support. Additional benefits: inhibits enzymes that break down collagen, like collagenase and elastase. Enhances mitochondrial function in nerve cells, promoting metabolic regeneration. Reduces oxidative stress in joints and nerve pathways, slowing aging from the inside out. Science says, a 2021 review in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that resveratrol not only protects collagen but also stimulates regeneration of damaged nerves and improves insulin sensitivity, essential for metabolic balance. What happens when you eat these fruits consistently? When consumed regularly, these fruits can boost natural collagen regeneration, accelerate nerve healing and function, improve joint lubrication, strength, and comfort, enhance metabolism and energy use, fight inflammation that disrupts the collagen matrix. Over time, you'll likely notice less joint stiffness, sharper mental clarity, more energy, better skin elasticity, and a general sense of whole-body rejuvenation. Final thoughts: let nature be your collagen clinic. Forget expensive powders, injections, or synthetic pills. Nature has already given you a pharmacy of fruits that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally, repair nerves and joints, reactivate a sluggish metabolism. You don't need to spend a fortune. Just start eating smarter, and let food be your first medicine. Your action plan: try adding 2 to 3 of these fruits to your daily routine. Blend them into smoothies. Add them to salads or oatmeal. Eat them as snacks, fresh, frozen, or dried. Your joints, nerves, and body will thank you. Take charge of your wellness journey. If this video helped you understand your body better, how collagen works, how powerful fruits can repair nerves, strengthen joints, and boost metabolism, then don't let this knowledge stop here. Hit that like button to let us know this content matters to you. Every like helps us reach more people who are searching for natural solutions to feel stronger, sharper, and more energized. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so you're always the first to know when we drop new, science-backed videos about healing foods, natural remedies, and smart ways to upgrade your health without drugs or complicated diets. Join the conversation below. Which of these amazing collagen-rich fruits do you already enjoy? And which one are you excited to start adding to your daily routine starting today? Let's build a vibrant, health-conscious community together, one natural step at a time. Your comment could inspire someone else to make a life-changing shift.